Hey, today we're going to make some cheesesteaks on the griddle. Just getting the meat and everything ready right now. These are pretty cheap, $5 on sale, I think. Beef shaved steak. And then we also have the hoagie rolls and some provolone, salt and pepper, oil, water. We're all set. So next step, let's go outside and cook it up. Hey, I'm just spreading out some oil on here real quick. We have our meat. You can hear my wife laughing in the background. It's pretty funny cooking cheesesteaks. So I'm just going through, making a bunch of little piles. It's sliced pretty thin, so it's going to cook up pretty quick. I'll try to do the whole batch at once here. So this is a 22-inch Blackstone. A lot of people call it the camper edition. This one came with a cool stand, but you can also use it as a tabletop. But you can use either a regular size propane tank. It came with the other hose for it here, or you can use a like a camper size mini kind. And get rid of this plate. Just gonna throw some pepper on, just coming out super slow. Some salt. You can see it's already starting to brown up a little bit on there. That's probably too much salt. And just kind of move them around a little bit. And then what you can do is you can use your scraper to cut them up into smaller pieces. Right now I have the grill on high. So now I'm just going around looking for any larger pieces I can cut up. So we initially started with a little bit of oil to start it off, but as you can see there's plenty of grease cooking up from these. So now just kind of moving them all around, get rid of most of the pink. Well, that's sitting. Got our provolone cheese. Luckily my hands are all slippery. Get that ready. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is move them all over to the one side here. Grab a roll, put it over like that. So the roll over it is going to act almost like a steamer. It will eventually melt that cheese. Are we making 3 with rolls or 4 with rolls? Those first 2 are probably a little heavy on the cheese or on the roll or meat side. And I forgot we're plates. So now, just kind of, if I had a plate, I could loop it right into it. But of course, I wasn't thinking. So now we're just going to toast this roll a little bit. I think my helper just went inside to get some plates. So we're going to let these sit. Another couple minutes here. Hey! Magical plates. There you go. The cheesesteak.